Mabilis lang na update, no? Kahapon nagkaroon ng 2-hour White House meeting led by Trump mismo. Pinost ko yung video. No, I posted a video about Trump the past couple of hours. He was the one who led it together with Patrick Witt, the crypto Trump advisor. Ito ay kakaiba, no, because mas maraming crypto firms na umattend kaysa doon sa mga bangko na umattend, no? Sabi ng White House, okay, there should be movement beyond principles, ha? Okay? And then lastly, nakikita ng White House na yung frame delay as unacceptable given the malapit na ang recess sa Senate, no? Saan ba sila nag-aaway? Unang-una, banks are still opposing the yield-bearing stable coins. Tapos crypto naman is pushing for rewards. Bakit nga naman ayaw ng bangko ang mga stable coins? Because mawawala sila ng negosyo. At ang nangyari, wala pa rin nakuhang kompromiso, no? At sinabi ngayon ng White House, mag-usap kayo dapat before end of the month or by the month end magkaroon na tayo ng resolution. Ang next step gagawin or papaliitin ang audience ng mag-uusap, parang small working group, hindi na iba yan, parang sa Pilipinas. Naalala nyo yung budget group, mas meron pang lumiit, no? So, participants are instructed to return ready to agree on specific edits, no? At tapos, yung banking committee, kailangan na nilang masend yan kasi nga, kailangan magkaroon na ng counterpart yung ipinasa ng Agricultural Committee from their end, no? So, technically, yun po ang nangyari kahapon.